On today's weekly update, I'm going to share a success story of one very successful contractor from Directorii.com, MHI Roofing. You're going to hear them speak about their results, but first, I want to explain to you how you can get most leads as a contractor from Directorii.com. As of today, Directorii.com is still open website. Yes, we do charge a little fee every time you register the warranty. Yes, we do have subscription base for contractors, but overall it's an open website, which means contractors know if they get jobs from Directorii.com, they should register. Many of them still don't do it. I understand that it's not kind of required for the basic guarantee for $20,000. So it's a free for the homeowners. If a homeowner browsing on Directorii.com and hires the contractor, and nothing happens after the fact, they don't register the job, they don't tell us what happened, we still guarantee that no one gonna steal their money from them, nobody gonna commit fraud. If contractors file bankruptcy, we're gonna step in and gonna make it right with the homeowner. Still, we have an algorithm to showcase the best of the best contractors first. So if you're the contractor and you wanna grow to the top, here's the few things that you have to do. Number one, make sure that you register every single job that you get from Directorii.com on Directorii.com. As simple as it sounds, many still don't do it. We have contractors who have 20, 30 leads and did not register one job, and we had to remove them. So if we catch you doing the work and not registering jobs, or if homeowner tells us that they hired you but you did not register the job, sooner or later we're going to kick you out, because we are not in business to sell leads. But if we give you lead and you did not register it, I want to be very firm and very strict. And I know that you know the rule. You have to register a job. So it's number one requirement. You get a job from us, you register it. If you did not and we find out that you didn't but you got a job, sooner or later we're going to review file, and we don't have shortages of contractors. Sorry to say it, but it's ugly truth. If we have 20 contractors and we're finding out that someone is taking jobs and not registering them after the fact, sooner or later we're going to remove them because other contractors probably going to do it. Now, every time you register the job, you're going to be ranked a little bit higher. You actually will see next to your profile statistic, the number, how many times you have been recommended or guaranteed by Directorii.com. It will affect the algorithm, and contractors who register the most are gonna go to the top. Number two, you can sell the jobs on Directorii.com. You can activate your offers. You can actually talk to your website team, and any offer you sell on Directorii.com, you can list on your website. Many contractors have done it, and actually it helps you, just like registering the jobs, helps you rank higher in our algorithm. So every offer that you sell, even if it's $99 roof inspection or $195 gutter cleaning job, you still get guaranteed by us, and you're still gonna list it as hired for that amount. So for example, if you sell 10 jobs, it will be equivalent of you registering 10 jobs. So if you register 10 jobs and you sold 10 jobs via offers, you're gonna be listed as a contractor who've been recommended by Directorii.com 20 times. So you will go to the top. And lastly, just be responsive. If you are getting leads from Directorii.com, make sure you reply to them right away. It's the worst thing that can happen to us for homeowners to come to us for a recommendation, homeowner sending you a message and you ignore that message. Now, we don't look good, you don't look good. We will have to move you down, and we will move contractors who are responsive higher. So Jonathan Rose with MHI Roofing, we've been getting about 2 leads per week. Listen to him explaining what he has been doing, how they're using Directorii.com. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll answer them in the question sections. Enjoy success story from MHI Roofing. I'm gonna be a little selfish with you. Jason Reisman texted me other day. He said he met you, I believe, IRE, and he said that you shared with him about your leads with Directorii.com. How many leads are you getting? How do you use it? And what area are you getting leads from Directory?
So basically the Cape Coral to like up to around Northport. So we're getting about 2 a week.
2 a week?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. So I think I
How,
don't know.
how did you utilize it in your business?
So we're actually registering the warranties. I mean, I think that's the main thing. Once you become elite, now you pop up at the top. So I think when people are going to your YouTube channel, and then you send them over to the directory thing, and they're looking in our area, like we're the top guy. The cool thing I like about it too is you pull in all of our locations into one, and so like which we've got a ton of reviews, but that makes every location, even if it's a $7 million branch, compared to the $15 million branch, whatever. Like it makes every one of them look the same. So I thought that was a really cool thing. But yeah, we pay to have the warranties, and that gets you to the elite status. Like just use the program the way it's designed, and then the algorithm just helps the homeowner find you.
We need to figure out something with an online store when people can buy. Like, do you sell? Like, I know you sell repairs, I know you sell rejuvenation, but what product would you sell? Like, for example, $200 gutter cleaning. Do you have a set price that people can prepay in order to see you? Can you think about anything?
Just off the cuff, I mean, like the roof inspection is good, especially in Florida right now. If you wanted to do like a wind mitigation row report for $199 or something, those things would be beneficial.
Yes, you probably can generate paperwork for insurance companies that your roof, can last 5 years.
Yes.
But for me, that's just like home inspection.
Right.
It should be a fee, like maybe like official roof report for insurance company. That right there sounds like a product to me.
Yeah.
Like if insurance demands,
Correct.
certain paperwork, and you have like, hey, we do that for $195. We give you like certified letter.
Yeah.
And you don't have to do it.
Yeah.
If it's not a good roof.
Yeah, I think that's a great angle with it too. That or the wind mitigation report, because everybody needs that as well, even after the roof. So I think those are two good ways to sell. I mean, you're basically getting paid to run a lead is the way I look at that, right? So like anytime that somebody will pay you the $199 to come do a roof inspection, you're getting paid to run a lead, like, which is pretty incredible.